Owen!
You show him the next one?
Oh, can you do the next one?
Does the number 2 have to be on the bottom?
Daddy can find number 2 for you.
I found it.
Okay.
What's this one? What's that word?
You can read it.
Sam, that's right.
Sam.
Is the same one that we read?
And cat. No, that's don't.
Did we just read this one?
Yeah, we already
Oh,
read
we just read that one, didn't we?
No, you just read this one.
Sam
Oh, okay.
and cat.
Okay.
Matt and cat. Sam, Matt, and cat. Cat sat on Sam. Matt sat on. What's this silly word? Matt sat on that. That's funny.
Sad Sam. Sad Sam.
Sad Sam. Matt.
Sad Matt. Yeah. What is this?
Sam sat, Matt sat. Okay, Sam. Okay, Matt. Okay, cat. That's funny. Okay, so the funniest one. The end.
Wow!
Isn't that amazing?
Owen!